guys, it's Christy with Motoring Motivations, and I am going to be talking about a little swap out modification that we did to Kratos, which is my 2017 John Cooper Works Clubman. So I am showing you right now, this is the John Cooper Works door seal that you can see here. I've already taken it off of my Clubman and replaced it, but I wanted to show you so that you had a point of reference. So this is what it looked like in the Clubman. This is actually now on my 2012 Coupe. But if you kind of come over, I'll take you over to Kratos and we'll show what I've done. Sorry about this, the cars weren't parked close together. So we actually swapped that piece out with the John Cooper Works LED JCW Pro door seal, which is great, and it illuminates at night, so obviously with the daytime you can't see it, but it works great because I've got the mats that are also in that theme, so it just kind of carries over. And then on the back door you see that it's just a little piece that's been changed, but it's just things like that that just kind of make it my own into what I wanted to do with Kratos. So if you like what we've done, I hope that you'll consider subscribing. We've got a lot of minis and a lot of mods coming in the next couple of days. Thanks a lot.